Welcome everyone. The iOS 27 is not showing up in your settings. So beta 1, it releases today. Why is it not showing? The first reason why is this. So if I go into my browser, you can see WWDC 2026 will happen later today. So it hasn't happened yet. And so you're just a little bit too early. How the iOS 27 release works is you're going to have the WWDC event that runs for 1.5 hours. And you can see the time zones for every country on screen when that WWDC commences. And then once the WWDC ends, around 1 to 2 hours later, that's when Apple will launch the iOS 2017 Developer Beta 1. So right now, you can see the time zone for WWDC for each country. A good rule of thumb is to take the time you see here for your country and just add 4 hours on top of that. So right now, I'm in England. 6 p.m. is when the WWDC begins. I would expect the actual Beta 1 to release between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. UK time. If we do another example, let's say India time, I'd expect it to release between 12:30 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. Indian time. If I go for United States Eastern Standard Time, I'd expect it to release between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So right now you're watching too early, the software hasn't launched. But there's one thing you can do to prepare right now, which is to verify you have that beta updates option, as when you have that, you will get the iOS 27 option. Also, you should use the swipe down refresh feature to refresh near the iOS 27 launch time. So to get that beta updates option, all you need to do is, if I just open up a new tab here, you just need to go to the developer.apple.com. So just head to developer.apple.com. So there is the website you need to head to. Once you're on this site, you just sign in. So there'll be a sign in option. Sign into your account, head into account. If there's a developer agreement that prompts, then you just agree to that agreement. There is no need to use the enroll today, so you don't need to do that. That's enrolling for the paid program. By signing into this website, you are enrolled for the free program, which is all you need. And then you can just swipe down the software update, and immediately the beta updates option should show with your software. If it still doesn't show, you should verify under privacy and security. So if I go to privacy and security, you do need to make sure lockdown mode is turned off, because if this is on, you won't get the beta updates option. So I hope this video helps. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.